Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon cake. It's also frosted with a lemon cream cheese frosting. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small or medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the softened butter, and beat it on high speed until it's smooth. Then turn it down to a medium speed, and gradually add in the sugar. Then turn the speed up to high again and beat it for 5 minutes. Making sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl every minute. Then add in the zest of 1 whole lemon. And mix it in until it's combined. Then with the mixer running, add in the egg whites one at a time, making sure you beat well after each one. Scrape down the sides of the bowl again, and beat the mixture until it's well combined. Then juice and strain enough lemons to get 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. Then add in enough milk to get 1 cup of liquids. It will curdle the milk, but that's fine. Don't stir the mixture, just leave it as is. Then with the mixer running on a low speed, alternate adding the dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Start by adding 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Then immediately add in half of the wet ingredients. Then another 1/3 of the dry ingredients, and make sure you work quickly because you don't want to overmix the batter. And add in the rest of the wet ingredients, then the rest of the dry ingredients, and mix it just until it's combined or until it's almost combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in, but again, don't overmix the batter. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and set it aside and let it cool completely. Then to make the lemon cream cheese frosting, in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat it on high speed for about a minute until they're smooth. Then sift in the powdered sugar, and add in the lemon juice. Mix it on low speed at first to mix in the powdered sugar, And once it's all combined, beat it on high speed for 1 minute. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then just frost the cake once it's cooled completely. And that's how to make lemon cake. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.